Hi there, thank you for using Gojji. It is very important for you to upload your blood pressure readings every time you test so that our Gojji coaches as well as your provider can help manage your condition. So in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to pair your blood pressure monitor with the Gojji app on your cell phone. You just need to do it the one time. After that, it's easy. Every time you test, you just open your app and sync it, and that's it. So here we go. Hi guys, you should have received a welcome email from Gojji by now. If you haven't, please check your spam or your junk mail. Go ahead and open your app store and download the Gojji app. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll go ahead and open up the Gojji app. As you can see, it defaults right onto the glucose tab. So we're gonna have to use the next tab, which is the BP, and it says right here, add Bluetooth device. That means you currently don't have a blood pressure monitor synced to your app. What we'll do is I'm going to put this cuff on. You just slip it right on your arm, secure it, and you can see on the bottom right here, there is going to be a tiny gray button. You just press that tiny gray button, it'll start to flash, and that's when you hit the button to add Bluetooth device. So now it's going to start syncing your blood pressure monitor to the Gojji app. And just like that, the pairing is done. So it's that easy. Now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and start doing a test so you can see how it works. So I'm going to hit this top button right here. The top button will start to inflate. Now, typically you shouldn't be talking while you're taking your blood pressure. Make sure you have both feet flat on the floor. You want to have at least about 2 finger widths above the bend in your arm when you're taking your blood pressure. So now your blood pressure reading is going to come up. As you can see, it shows your systolic, your diastolic, and your pulse rate. Now, all I have to do is go back to my app, sync with the device, and it'll start connecting to the blood pressure monitor. Just like that, it synced to my readings. So I hit OK. So now it shows, and you can see that it's telling me my blood pressure is high because I'm probably talking while I'm taking my blood pressure, and that I should probably follow up with a dietitian. And just like that, it's sunk. I hit OK, and I'm ready to go, and now my blood pressure is in the Gojji portal for you to see. And that was it. So thanks, everyone. Hi folks, so that is everything. Thank you for sharing your time, and happy blood pressure testing.